Hey everyone, welcome to MTDCNC, and we are really excited that MTDCNC is expanding its horizons and we have arrived in India for the very first time. Today we are here at Kelly Engineering Work, a pioneer in the automobile sector. They have been working behind the scenes, making your automobile efficient and reliable. So let's find out what they make, how they make, and to whom they sell. Hey, so we are finally here at Kelly Engineering's work in the industrial unit there, and I'm joined by Mr. Vinay over here.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, Mr.
Very
Vinay?
fine, very fine. How are you?
I'm good too.
Yes, sir.
So it's been a pleasure interviewing you. It's like a dream come true that we are here, and MTDCNC India has traveled so far interviewing you. How do you feel about it?
Very nice. It's really a pleasure welcoming you to our works.
So tell us about the journey so far till now. It's been 4 decades that you have been in this space, and how it has been, and what are you making over here?
So we have three, four units. So this is one of the unit where we are standing. Here we do washing machines. Our main expertise are into washing. We do washing machines for all engineering components related. Now we are doing for EV components. We are doing for windmills. We are doing for all automobile components. We do cleaning systems for ranging from engine blocks to cylinder head to cylinder blocks, crankshafts, crankcases. Then we have been very privileged to serve India for their defense. We have supplied number of machines to BDL, Bharat Dynamics Limited. We have supplied equipments to HAL and similarly number of companies. We have also supplied equipments to Space Research Center, Vishakhapatnam, for SLV-3 rocket motor cleaning also. Was a very prestigious order for us, and we completed it with great loss. So we were one of the 20 companies in India who were selected for this project, and our name was taken in Lok Sabha, mentioned in Lok Sabha. So this has been a very distinguished journey for us all through, and it's really nice you had come over to have a look at our works.
It's been a pleasure. Thank you so much for inviting us again. If we go into the picture, like you have covered almost all sectors, starting from automobile to the defense to the rocket satellites and all of that. So, coming to that, how much quantity do you make, and what's kind of products, and who are your suppliers, or like where do you distribute your products?
Yes. We started our journey through making very simple cleaning systems, which were naturally import substitute. Because in India, initially when the engineering line started, basically everything was imported. So we started with a very basic engineering cleaning systems. Then we gradually grew. We started making complicated systems. Now we are doing into robotics. We are into IoT also for controlling the machine remotely. So since it is a special purpose machine, means tailor made as per customer requirement, because if you have visited our plant you would have seen all the machines are different, no machine looks alike. So these are SPM machines. First we get the requirement for the customers, we make the machine, draw the machine, design the machine, give it to our customer for his approval, then we manufacture. So normally this is 100% SPM. This is a project based job. We do roughly around about 60 to 75 machines per annum, depending upon how big some projects may be or what is the market situation. Since it's a capital equipment, we are connected to the markets up and down. So the variation is like this, between 60 to 75 machines per annum.
Yeah, that's a pretty good number. I guess like 60 to 75 machines per
You would
year.
have seen some are big, some are small. Naturally, it's well, this is an achievement for us. When we started it, I think we would have been doing only one or two machines per month, maximum 12 or 20. But now we have increased. We are putting up another unit, which is a 3-acre plot for manufacturing. We hope to cover from engineering line. Basically, we are related to engineering and EV to go into fruit and vegetable cleaning also, since this is a line which is coming up. So our exposure is from ultrasonic, robotic, conventional washing. So we want to cover each and every sphere, so nothing is left.
Interesting to know about the future. So I see a lot of different machines over here. Could you please explain us what these machines do and what are their functions?
Yeah. Now the machine what you are seeing here, this is a very small and a compact machine. This is basically used for an automobile company. This is a Japanese company which they want to clean inside of their hoses or this arrangement. So this is an automatic system. In this shop floor we normally do small machines basically. Now we'll take you to another shop floor. You can have a look over there where we do huge machines. We are making a machine for a customer, one of our customers who are making windmills now. The platform size is 4 meters by 4 meters, and the platform will carry load of above 10 to 15 kgs. Tentative load was this much. Now, what I told you initially that we had supplied machine for rocket motor. Now, for SLV3 rocket motor cleaning, we had supplied them the first stage motor. It is cleaned inside, and then it is filled with the fluid, with the liquid, the firing fluid. So that machine, it length only the machine size was above 6 to 8 meters. So number of combinations of machines we do. So number of, now you would ask what type of components we do.
Sure.
Now the components would range from all engineering items. Even your say dog bowls are also clean. Your geyser shells are also clean. So ranging from all engineering products, whatever is being casted, forged or drawn or forming is being done, the components are cleaned there. Now we keep on adding technology to it. We have put robotic cleaning for very fast and efficient cleaning. Now for cylinder blocks where internal cavities are moved, then inside cavities robot cleaning is done. So this type of arrangement we normally do.
So what are the alternatives for this machine? Would it be possible to do it without the human manual operation?
Yes. Now this is a very good question you have asked. Now what happens is since labor cost is going up, automation increases the capacity, the production rate in engineering factories. So nowadays we do machines which are totally automatic in a sense. They travel from station 1 to our machine, clean automatically, then go to unloading station, keep dries off and goes to the assembly shop. So these machines are now totally automatically. Now we have an operator. Now since these machines are automatic, who would know what is the problem in the machine? So now recently we have added IoT this. So any problem in the machine, a maintenance guy sitting say 30 meters, 40 meters would come to know what the machine problem is. He can attend to it immediately and the problem is resolved. So gradually our competence is being increased. We are supplying, we have exported machine to some of Honda car ancillaries in Thailand. Okay. We have supplied machines in Canada. We have supplied machine in Malaysia. We have supplied machine in Algeria. So Indian technology is being preferred since we are good in engineering. Cost wise we are very competitive and technology wise we absorb fast and we give better solutions at low cost. So these are the advantage a customer all over the world they would get from India for any products, for any product.
Sure, it's been a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you. Now I'll just take you to my other unit. You can just have a look out there, and you could see number of machines over there.
Sure. So I was really curious when I first came here. Now I'm really excited. I want to know what's next, what are your future plans, and what drives you to make this kind of force?
Look, in engineering, it is like when you are a kid, you take your first step, then you just want to walk 10 steps. So in engineering, what basically happens, you do something small, then you wish to do something, another two bigger step. So the excitement and the push comes from developing new things. Now, if you just have a look at this factory you are seeing, as I told you, there also no machine matches, and every machine has its own technology. Some machines we have done it for the first time, but it is a process. Once you keep doing it, you know how to, like a person who knows how to walk, he can run. So it is a process. When you start walking, when you do small things, then you do bigger things, it excites you and you keep on doing it. And then when you come to the shop floor, have a look at it, and when your customer appreciates you, so the drive comes from inside. You just want to excel in the things you want to do. So this is what basically excites in the business. Now for the future plans, we are putting up a plant nearby. It's a 3-acre plant. That will be a state of art. We hope to do it India's biggest and India's best plant. God willing, we have started the construction over there. So by another 1.5 year, we'll be in full structure. Will be there, and we'll shift part of our production over there for regular machine means, which are commonly used machines uh, related to industry, related to agriculture. So we'll start doing that machines. So this is a near future we plan to do.
I wish you all the best for the
Thank you very
future
much.
endeavors,
Thank you for
and
coming.
thank you for all your time. And
Thank
it's
you.
been a pleasure talking to
Really
you.
nice meeting you,
Thank
Vinay. Thank you very much. Bye. All the best.